What's going on, YouTube? This is Big Pencil coming at you again with a nut. We down here at the ocean today. We caught the word that the sea trout, the redfish, and the sheephead's been tearing it up down here. Daddy and them come down here the weekend and did pretty good while we was hunting. So we gonna give it a go again today. Stand by. We gonna get to it. As soon as it hit the water, he got that one. I think he could be borderline. Yeah, maybe he's too small. Little trout. Daddy's got a nuttin'. Looks like a good fish too. That might be a redfish there. No? That's a good trout too. I guarantee it. There he is. Maybe he'll be too small though. Oh, come here. Probably 13 7/8. Alright, shit ass. You're gonna have to pull this damn boat up some. Come back after it. Unknown. We are calling you concerning your car's extended frickin' warranty. Yep, 14 and a half. Got him that time. Gee, that's a good one there. Put him in the cooler. I moved one. It ain't no very big one, but better one. Nope, he's smaller than the last one I had. That's a good one there. If I can't put this one in the cooler, something wrong. That's a dang grown one there, Bo. Good God, what a trout. I guarantee you that's a dang trout, isn't it? I'd take a picture with him later. That's a good net. Net. Redfish there. Oh yeah.
That's a slot.
A slotsky redfish. Let that thing tank off of them oysters and he nailed it. We got a good mess in there. So far we got 17 trout and one nice redfish. We got some dang trout in there, some of them huge. All of them legal size fish though, we measured every one of them, but I'm gonna show y'all what we're fishing with here. That is just a, you know, 1/4 ounce jig head with a little paddle tail grub on it. I'm fishing one with an underspin on it. I caught the redfish on it. Daddy's got one without an underspin, and they're hitting both about the same. But that's it. You got braided line on there. We go sheephead fish afterwards. Just old light spinning rod and.
Well, I told you so.
Yeah, they saw y'all on them pilings down there. Well, that's one. A biddy. A biddy. Ouch. He got some sharp fins on him too.
Put you on one of them hooks.
Yeah, I think them hooks might not be the best. That's a good sheephead now. There we go. That's a keeper sheeps. I guarantee you that's a good one. No. Ouch. Stop your flipping fish. I'm gonna let you go. There, go.
I'm glad you got him out there.
Two.
That's a good run. Guess we don't have to measure him.
Crab though.
Get him.
I wanted him to eat that fish. Eat it, fish. Son of a gun. Yeah, that was a good one. That's a good one. Ah, you dirty little whore dog.
You mean all that time I got off right there?
Right there. I tried to get him back there so he wouldn't get me wrapped up around the stuff.
And look at him. I'm piddling with you.
And one takes your crab. That's a wrap. I think it's 4 o'clock. I think we started at 8:30, 9 o'clock, something like that. It's 10 after 4 now. We ended the day with 20 trout. This is a 2-man limit. I think we got 5 or 6 sheephead in there that was big enough to keep between all the ones that we missed, and 3 redfish. It was an outstanding day down here on the ocean. We got plenty of fish to fry up for dinner one day this week. We had a great time. It was a beautiful day. It's getting kind of cool now. That's why I had them earmuffs on in the beginning of this video, because it was 35 degrees when we put the boat in this morning. I was glad I put them little earmuffs on too. It was cold coming across that water. But this is Big Pencil, and we will be back with another one soon.